Alright, so if you have the Sony ZV-10, this is how you can use it for live streaming and also get the best quality possible. Hello everyone, this is Orange Tech here. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of getting the best quality when live streaming through your ZVE-10. Now you probably have your Sony ZVE-10 and your capture card ready to go, but you just don't know what settings to use on your camera. Well, there are two ways to do this. The first way is super fast. All you have to do is go to your menu and then scroll to the video mode, then go down to where it says USB-C streaming, press on that, select it, then connect your camera to your PC via USB-C. And that's it. Your Sony Zve10 can now act as your webcam. There's nothing else needed. You are super good. But there's something else you guys should know, that the Sony Zve10 doesn't have the best battery. So it does charge while using the USB, but it's always going to drain more than it charges. So that's something else to think of. But you could prevent that by having extra batteries, having a power bank, for example, or just an adapter lying around, so you get that extra live whenever you need that. So that's something else to think of.
Now, if you do want a higher quality video and more control over settings, then this is the way to go. First of all, press menu, then scroll all the way to setup, then go to the second page of setup, then scroll down to HDMI settings, press on that, and then go to HDMI info and press off. This will remove on-screen distraction for a clean output. That means nobody's gonna see any of these icons when you're streaming.
Now, one of the best features the Sony ZVE10 has is the product showcase mode. If you review products, then this is a game changer. If you have a product like this, you can see how it focuses on the product and keeps my face blurred out. And I really like it because it makes everything super nice, especially when I'm reviewing products. For example, I just enjoy having this right there. You can actually see, and also just trying it out. It's super snappy as well, so it's super great. To set it off or on, all you have to do is to press on the FN and go to product showcase all the way to your right, and you'll see that over there, and it's just super nice. You could always turn it off as well. It's all up to you.
Now, to get the video settings for best quality, all you have to do is press menu, then go over to movie, and then scroll over to shoot mode, press on that, then go to manual. So by selecting manual, you get more control over your settings. So press on that, and then press on that again. Then scroll down to video format, press HD, and then press menu again. Then scroll down to record settings and 50p, 50m. So what this actually does is that it gives you a lot more smoother motion. Now, there's also a filter that the Sony Zve10 gives you. It makes your face super soft. All you have to do is just to press FN, press on that, and then you either turn on or you turn off. Me personally, I don't really care, so sometimes I just have it off, but you can also just press on that, go to soft skin tone effect, and then press down, press on that. It's gonna make your face super soft, super glowy, and gives you that great filter.
Now, if you do want that blurry background effect, then there's a mode that can help you with that. It's basically on top of the camera right there. It's called defocus. All you have to do is press on that, and it's going to blur out the background, depending on the lens you actually have as well, to help you get that blurry background. But it basically helps you get that blurry background and makes your face a little bit more sharp and in frame, as you can see right here. And taking that off, then you can see everything as well. And then I'll just blur my background. I don't know how blurry it looks right now because of the LCD screen that I'm actually looking at right now from the Sony Zve10, but yeah, you get a blurry background with the defocus mode. And yeah, now you know how to use the Sony Zve10 for live streaming, whether you're going for a quick plug or having a control over the whole settings, then that is up to you. Well, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys next week.